As usual, I'm John Jock and welcome back. So in the tutorial you either just read now or you're about to read, which is a good read, I'll admit, you were asked to create a DigitalOcean's droplet. So if you haven't created an account yet, you can go down to digitalocean.com, you can click on sign up and you can create an account, which I would totally recommend, they're awesome. Once you created your account and you logged into it, you'll be taken to something that looks similar to this. Now to create your droplet, you can click up here on create droplets and just wait for it to load. Once it loaded, you'll be asked to click your image. So in the tutorial we went with Ubuntu 20.0.4 20.04. The plan we went with is the most basic one, since you don't really need that much storage, RAM or CPU, and there's no reason to like blow your budget on a $40+ a month project if you're just going to delete it after you read the tutorial. So after you choose that, you can scroll down to choose your data center. Since I'm in South Africa, I usually go with something in Europe, so Frankfurt in Germany. And then I didn't click on any additional options, didn't really see a use for it. I went with password. Now for this part you will have to create your password, so let me just quickly put that in. Now the part about the password is they're pretty strict on what type of password you can go with. And they have a bunch of requirements, as you can see over here. You need at least 8 characters long, 1 uppercase, 1 number, and it cannot end in a number or a special case, which is annoying since most of my passwords don't do that. Then you get, so your host name, example. So you can name this whatever you want, just make it something you will be able to remember, and it's easy, it's human readable. Since we're not machines, we can't go with numbers and things, so there's not really much of a need to add a tag. Select your project. Since it's part of the WebTuts Plus tutorial, it already chose it for me, and I didn't see any reason to add the backups, although if you are planning on using this droplet for longer than this tutorial, I would recommend going with the backups. I've had a few issues where I lost projects because I didn't have backups. So you click on create droplet, don't save. So once you created your droplet, it will start booting up, which you can see at the progress bar. Now this takes a while, so just wait for it. So on once it finished creating your droplet, it will look something like this. It will give you the name and IP address, and then you can access the console if you click on these 3 buttons and click on access console. And well, that's about it. Good luck with the tutorial. I hope you enjoy.